Hi, we have introduced the possibility to give release to service for every task card. First, let's create a signature type for this by going to Settings and Signatures. We create a release to service signature for task cards. Then let's apply a setting for work orders. When we create a work order, we can still only mark tasks as completed. However, when we need a work order to have a release on every task card, we would need to select it under the Work Order Details Completion section. Now we can give a release to service for the task card. To improve access control, only users with permission to certify task cards can mark them as certified. On PDF Printout, the Release to Service section is displayed for the whole work order and also for the task card. This option gives the possibility to manage two types of work orders, ones who need a release to service for every task and the work orders which do not. Thank you for watching.